भारतीय सेना प्रमुख जनरल मनोज पांडे ने कहा, एलएसी पर स्थिति स्थिर लेकिन संवेदनशील बनी हुई है। पिछले एक साल में किसी नए इलाके में संघर्ष की स्थिति नहीं बनी है।
Now this is January 24 and it's always been 4 years since we had seen attempts to alter the status quo on the LAC. Can you tell us, sir, how is the overall security situation along the northern borders, especially Ladakh and Arunachal areas, and how prepared is the Indian Army to tackle the challenges, whether it is these winters or...
Right, so the situation along the line of actual control, I would say, remains stable, but is sensitive. In the last 1 year or thereabouts, we haven't had any more friction areas in this. In terms of our efforts at resolution, our talks and dialogue, both at the military level as well as at the diplomatic level, continue with the adversary. We have had total of 20 senior higher military commander levels meetings and 14 WMCC meetings since April of 2020. So the means of these talks, we hope and we are hopeful that we'll find a resolution to the balance two issues. In terms of what is our preparedness levels, I would say our deployment remains robust as well as balanced, and we are also maintaining adequate reserves in all these sectors that you talk of to be able to deal with any contingency. While this is happening, we are also focusing on our capability development in these areas in terms of infusion of technology, modernization, inducting better systems such as our protected vehicles, surveillance drones, better communication radio sets, etc. Simultaneously, our effort and focus has also been on infrastructure development, be it the habitat, be it the forward connectivity to the line of actual control, or strategic road connectivity, all whether in terms of alternate routes of induction. It also includes extending power supply to our forward troops, improving communication in terms of 5G communication to our troops deployed in forward areas. We are also working alongside other government agencies, the local administration and the local population to make sure that our preparedness levels along the LAC always remain high.
અમારી તમામ માહિતીથી અપડેટ રહેવા માટે જોડાયેલા રહો S9 ન્યૂઝ સાથે।